Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you've joined us. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful Figma basic, how to change the font of your text. Whether you're working on your very first design project or you just want to spruce things up with a new typeface, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pick and apply any font you want in Figma. So let's dive right in and get hands-on. Alright, starting from the Figma interface, you'll want to look toward the bottom center of your screen. You'll notice the main tool options arrayed there. This is almost like the cockpit of an airplane. All your essential controls live here, including the text tool we're going to use. Take just a second to scan those tools and look for the icon that looks like a T. That's the text tool. Go ahead and click on that, and don't worry if you're new to Figma, because clicking this won't change anything except letting you start adding text to your design. Once you've selected the text tool, move your mouse over to your canvas. This is the big white area where your design lives. Click anywhere on that canvas and you'll see a blinking cursor appear waiting for you to type something in. Now go ahead and enter the word or phrase you want to style. This could be anything. Your project's title, a catchy headline, or just the word sample if you're practicing. I'll give you a second here for beginners. Don't worry if your text doesn't look perfect just yet. With your text added, let's make sure your text box is selected. Just click on the word you typed if it isn't already highlighted. Now, over on the right side of your screen, you'll find the Design tab. It's usually selected by default, but if you happen to be in the Prototype or Code tab, just click back over to Design. This panel is where you handle all the visual tweaks for your selected object. Think of it sort of like the control center for styling. Now let's focus in on the typography section. This is where the magic happens with fonts, and it's super important because typography sets the tone and personality for your design. Good font choice can totally transform how your project comes across to viewers, like choosing the perfect outfit for an occasion. In the typography section, you'll see all your text settings right in one place. Font type, size, weight, and more. Take a moment to look around here if it's new to you. Next up, you'll see a dropdown that lists the current font type. This is the name of the font your text is using right now, probably something default like Roboto or Inter. Give that dropdown a click, and you'll see a whole menu pop up with all sorts of font options. This is where you get creative. Scroll through the list and notice how hovering over different fonts gives you a live preview in your text box. It's a great way to instantly see what works best for your project before making a final choice. Before you choose, make sure your word or the entire text you want to update is still selected. Sometimes, if nothing's highlighted, Figma won't know which text you want to update, so just a quick click and drag over your text to highlight it is all you need. Now comes the fun part: select the font you want from the list. Once you click on it, you'll see your text update instantly. Don't worry if you change your mind. You can always try out different fonts until you find the perfect match. Remember, playing around with fonts is all about experimenting and discovering what feels right for your design's mood and message. And that's all there is to it. You've just changed your text font in Figma. Honestly, once you've done it a couple of times, it'll feel totally natural. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Got any questions or maybe a tricky font issue you're facing? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.